Hey guys, this is your boy MNCBN up for another video. We haven't rested for the whole night. What's up guys? What's up guys? Yeah, so we have just finished our vigil, first Friday vigil. Whole 24 hours vigil. What I'm gonna show you today is just me sleeping.
Here.
14 minutes. Oh, by the way, we are still here at the Now. We're going to have some fun because it's not worth it if we just go home after, and that's it. Yo guys, it's already 7:30 a.m. and still walking. A Bisaya YouTuber just chatted me, Glenn Abukay, yesterday. Shout out to you, Mr. Glenn Abukay. He told me tips about being a vlogger, a YouTuber. He told me that I must not be shy about things that I say to the camera and always look at the lens, and also just make my voice loud and clear in the videos. Thank you for that tip, bro. So today I'm still walking with my bros, and I am lazy to get my tripod on my bag, so I'm just handling the camera by my hand. We don't know where we're going. Maybe we just gotta took some cinematic like this. It's a good day in the Now City, but we don't have sleep, so we're tired. But still, we're just gonna have fun here in the Now City cause we're kids and we're teenagers. Just wanna break out. So let's just take photos. Hey guys, yo guys, this is your boy MNCBN, and we are here at Children's Paradise, and I'm making the video Z Story Childhood. We also take some pictures, and here's the photos. Hey guys, after Paradise, we're gonna walk to the because the bros here wanted to buy thrift shop na naman, something new for some outfit. Yeah, we're going, and it's really getting hotter. Pwede naman ito maagi dito. It's really getting hotter, guys. Yes, that's it. Sakto ng lighting. So yeah, we're walking. Hey guys, so yeah, the Ukay Ukay store is not yet open, so we decided to go to the Princetown Warehouse Club to have some fun. Yo guys, sirado pang Prince Warehouse Club, and namiss na si ang moihi daw is 2 pesos, ang ibang 5 pesos, pero wala mi namayad nila dyan kay wala mi kwarta. Yo guys, so wala pa nang abli ang Ukay-Ukay na open, so mauna na namin sa Ukay-Ukay before sa Prince. Yo guys, nabit din sa Ukay-Ukay na Vitopia, and yeah, the bros are here. Ukay-Ukay is life. Sayang, gusto pa naman kitang ka 100 ka, mahal mo. Gusto na namin kunin yung bag namin. Sana yung vlogger dito. Gusto na naming umuwi. We decided to go home na because it's really exhausting na. So bye. Kaming nabili sa ukay-ukay. Ganyan kami kayaman. Ano masasabi mo sa lakad zombie natin ngayon dyan? Okay lang. Hashtag lakad zombie. O best. Ang ending ni mo dyan? Ikabutan is bye. Kaon. Ikaw magkaon na ako. Sleepless. We're sleepless, over the edge now breathless. I never thought that I'd catch this love bug again. Ganun. Sige, ganyan lang tayo sa camera. Tapos pag may tumingin sa camera na to, i-zoom in natin. Sige, ganyan lang tayo sa camera. Kapag may tumingin sa camera, i-zoom in natin. Meron ba kayang tumingin? Meron yung tumingin ito. Guys, napaka-chill ng mga tao dito sa Danao City. Parang wala lang nangyayari. Parang hindi nila napapansin ng mga artista dumadaan. So, Losile, breaking my heart. No entry pero susubukan ni Janjang pumasok. Magaling! Nanalo!
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
Hanap tricycle. Asa? So we're finding some tricycle kung where we're going. Sakay. Suot ka ba yung aircon? Nag-travel pa talaga ng malayo si Kendrick para lang makita yung crush niya. Tsaka mahawakan siya.
난 꿈을 꾸네 설레는 마음 가득히 널 바라보네.
Yo guys, this is the boy MNTBN and now I'm gonna end my The Boys Adventures episode here because we're so tired and I need to go home na because I'm gonna sleep through all day. Bye! Tingko. Ako na lang sa imo ko ano mo. Dili lang kaya. Without the school.